Subscribe to TechSada and press the bell icon and select all to get notified whenever we upload a video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to connect the Realme Techlife Buds T100 with the Realme Link App. So do watch this video till the end. And before starting this video, make sure you hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries on this video, then can comment down or text my Instagram by following me at Sadashivai Patil. So now let's start with this video. Now for connecting the Realme Techlife Buds T100 with the Realme Link App, first of all you have to install the Realme Link App from the App Store or from the Play Store. So now let's install. Now after installing the app, click on Open. Now click on Agree and Continue. Now select your location and click on Got It. Now go to the account section and click on Register or Sign In. Now here sign in through your account or create a new account. Now go back to the home section. Click on add a device. Now go to the audio section and search for the Realme Techlife Buds T100. Now on your earphone, open the earphone lid. Now click on next. Now as you can see the option Realme Techlife Buds T100, click on that and click on pair. Now allow the access to contacts and call logs and then click on pair. And now click on agree. Now as you can see the Realme Techlife Buds T100 has been connected to the device successfully. Now here you can see the charging percentage of the earphone case and both the earbuds, and you can change the sound effects of the earbuds like bass boost, balanced and bright. Also you can enhance the volume from here, and you can also turn on the game mode. And in the other option you will get to see the button settings, or else you can say the touch settings, where you can change the touch settings from here. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. We'll meet in the next video.